Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best e-readers in this video? I will show you the top 3 best e-readers to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected Kindle Paperwhite 5. Specifications: product interface Type-C, screen material e-ink, display size 6.8 inches, Wi-Fi yes, memory capacity 8 GB, display color 16 gray, brand name Kumix, ROM 8 GB, resolution 300p. The item number 2 is all-new 2021 Kindle. Specifications: brand name Bataille, body material plastic, product interface Type-C, screen material e-ink, display size 6.8 inches, weight 206 grams, resolution ratio 300p, memory capacity 8 GB, display color 16 gray. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Kindle Black. Specifications: body material plastic, product interface micro USB, screen material e-ink, display size 6 inches, weight 174 grams, resolution ratio 600 by 800, memory capacity 8 GB, display color 16 gray, resolution 167p.